thank you so much for stopping by and being interested in this workshop. We are so happy to have you here. So we are just going to run through basically all the different topics that we'll be covering in this workshop, starting with Juliet.
All right, so at the first week, we have ideation and research. This is for anybody who is interested in starting a business. Maybe they don't have the right idea yet. They have too many things going on. They love a lot of things and you can't narrow it down. We help you narrow it down. If you already have a business or you just launched or you're trying to, go to the next level, this is also for you. So don't be shy. Just come on out and we've got something for you. So ideation and then research. You've got to know who your competition is, what are they doing, what are they offering, is there even somebody doing what you're already doing? So it's really important that we start with that. And then the second one, we're talking about branding. It's really important. Everybody thinks your branding is your logo, but there's something that needs to happen before your logo starts happening, and we talk about that. Who are you? What do you stand for? What do you want people to know you for? If I was to introduce you to somebody, who should I say that you are? That's all the branding piece. And we also talk about customer discovery. Who is your ideal client? Please don't tell me everybody is your ideal client, because they're not. You cannot serve everybody. So it's important for you to be really clear on who it is that you want to serve. So that's week 2. And then we've got week 3.
So week 3, we take branding to the next level, which is the level that most people know about, and that's the visual branding. So we talk about logos if you don't already have a logo. We talk about, your colors and, basically creating a nice, cohesive visual brand that you can use across all your different platforms. So social media, your websites, your Facebook, wherever you are online. We want it to look beautifully branded so you are attracting your ideal audience. So we make your brand visually appealing. So in week 4, we will actually be going through how to create a website. So we will be working on a single page website that can, of course, expand into multiple pages, but we'll be working on the home page. If you already have a website, we will be working on a landing page that you can use as an opt-in for the next week, which you'll get into. But we're basically going to be creating a landing page, so when people type in your domain name, they get on there and we are guiding them through exactly what we want them to do. So whether it is to book something, whether it is to sign up for something, whether it is to, pay for something, we will be covering all of those things in week 4, because we want to be able to have a beautiful, functional website or landing page for your business.
Yes. And then we've got week 5, email marketing. So important. And I feel like that's where a lot of people fall short. So it doesn't matter what tool you use, whether you're using ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, Aweber, it doesn't really matter. We're actually going to go through the strategy of what you need for email marketing. The automation that you need, putting together the very first step when people sign up for your newsletter or when they sign up for your opt-in. What should happen? How do you send your emails? What type of emails should you be sending? So we go through all of that in week 5.
So week 6, we will be getting into how to actually find your clients using social media. So there's no point in having a business if you're not getting clients. So in this section of the course, we are going to be showing you how to engage on social media to actually find your ideal clients and, fish for them and get them actually becoming clients of yours and paying you for your services. And Juliet will also be going through the ads portion of that. So how to be doing your Facebook ads, your Instagram ads, to do paid advertising so you can also get clients that way.
And then on week 7, we are talking about your value proposition, customer service, the little things that you can do to go the extra mile, how to get referrals, how to get references, how to get people talking about you. And so we go through that in week 7, but I think the fun part is week 8, where you guys get to show us everything that you've been doing throughout the weeks, and you get to network.
Exactly. So we'll be having a free networking event where you are able to showcase what you have created, your business, what you do, to new eyes and new ears, so you can actually get out there and start promoting your business.
Exactly. Now, we also have a bonus, a little surprise for you. If you join us in this 8 weeks, we are going to also give you access for the 8 weeks. We're going to give you access to our online courses. Both of us have online membership where we basically talk about the same things. So during the week as you're doing your work, you can go back in there, kind of think of it as having access to us 24/7. So going through the courses that we've created and going through your homework and stuff. So you get access to that for the 8 weeks during this course that you're taking with us for free.
Yes.
Yes.
We know people's schedules are a little funny sometimes. It's okay. We got you. The online portion will be there to supplement, and help you along the way. If you're late from work, it's okay. We got you. It's all online.
Right. So if you buy the whole 8 weeks, that means you get access to us for all 8 weeks. But if you only just want to take some of the courses, you have an option to take 5 of the courses. Only 5 of them are available as standalone courses. You still have access to our online courses because we really wanted to make sure that this entrepreneur's journey is really structured so that you can have success. So who is it for?
Who is it for?
Who is for?
Fitness trainers, anything in the beauty industry, whether you're a lash technician, a makeup artist, a hairstylist, if you are a personal brand, so coaches.
Yes, musicians, coaches, songwriters, authors, speakers. If you are, have your own business where you are the personality, this is great for you. We're looking forward to spending 8 weeks with you guys.
Yeah, and hopefully you'll be looking forward to spending 8 weeks.
I think so. All right, guys. Looking forward to it. If you have any questions, send us an email either at info@cinemabranding.com or
info@designerboss.com.
All right. Take care.
Bye. And we'll be using some of the tools that what? We'll be doing...
What's wrong with you?
It's overheating.
Oh no! Hey guys, thank you guys for stopping by and checking us out.
Yes.